All right, we are going to take a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions here. Do you like insects?
Honestly speaking, I don't like insects because I am scared of them. Because I am scared because I am scared of them, and because if they bite anyone, it can cause it can be
It can
painful.
be
It can
dangerous.
be painful and cause infections. So answering your question, I don't really like insects.
Well done. Your answer is very good. Just speak a bit louder.
Yes.
And the arrangement of your answer is fantastic. Good job. Let's go on. Are there many different insects in your country or in your area where you live?
In your day, yes, as we know that yes, there are a lot of insects near my house because mostly insects are attracted by green areas, and there are a lot of green areas and parks near my house where they are found. So answering your question, there are a lot of
So, to answer your question,
so to answer your question, there are a lot of insects near my area.
okay, now every time don't say to answer your question. Second time you can say to respond to your query, to respond to your query, or in response to what you have asked me. So use a variety. Okay,
Okay.
let's go on. Do you think insects are useful?
Yes, they are useful, but at some extent, they
To
can
some
to
extent.
some extent they can help in the fertilization, and we also know that most of the food chains start from insect. So answering your question,
So, to
so to
respond to your
respond to your
query,
query,
I would say some insects are really
really
useful, but
useful,
others can be harmful.
can be
To answer
harmful.
your query, to reply to your
Reply.
question, something like
Yeah.
that, okay? All right, overall, it's much better. Keep it up like this. Good job. Let's go on. Your topic is about age. What do you think is the best age to learn driving?
Well, I think the best age to learn driving is
Can you
18.
speak to the mic, please? Yeah, bring it closer. Yeah, now you can
Sorry.
start. So,
Well, I think the best age to learn driving is 18 years because at this stage, the human mind and body is
yeah, human mind and body, they are in
they're able to
they are able
they
to
able to
work together in
work together
harmony.
in harmony and able to.
Listen, you have started your answer at the wrong side. What do you think is the best age to learn driving? According to me, 18 years is the best age to learn driving because by this age, any individual can get decision making skills. Because when you drive, you got to make thousands of different decisions. So if you're not good at that, then you're not able to drive safely. So to answer your question, according to me, 18 years is the best. Why you pick up something where you don't have any ideas?
Mhm.
Just pick up simple things and answer accordingly.
Right.
Let's go on. How do you feel about getting older?
I think getting older is a natural process, and everybody in this world getting older day by
Yeah,
day,
everyone in this world is getting older day by day.
day by day, and we have to embrace,
Yeah,
embra-
I don't feel embarrassed about
embar-
it. It's a natural process. It's not in
100%
my control.
control.
Getting older is a natural thing. I cannot control it. So to answer your question, I feel okay about getting older. Right?
Right.
Should we treat people of different ages in the same way?
No, I think we have to respect everybody, and it,
Yeah, we should respect people according to their age, especially the elderly should be respected more
more.
as compared to the youngsters. And on the other hand, if you're traveling by bus and there is an elderly, we should leave our seat for them. So I think people should be treated differently according to their age. Come up with some ideas and then you'll be fine, okay?
Right.
All right, thank you very much.